This is Hanshaw Middle School.
It's kind of peaceful in there.
A place to grow, to belong, and to thrive.
I feel like this school is it cares about you and it keeps you safe.
Walk through the halls and you'll feel the energy.
I like getting fun.
Students are curious, motivated, and ready to go further.
I was struggling at the beginning, and after I started getting good grades because they started helping me a lot.
Here, learning is personal. Teachers pay attention, offer support, and celebrate growth.
I liked my pre-algebra class with Mr. Rios.
Hanshaw offers dual language classes, honors classes, and hands-on experiences that build confidence in and out of the classroom.
They have the opportunity to take the advanced placement Spanish language and cultures exam.
Science comes to life in our new modern labs designed for collaboration, discovery, and excitement.
Our kids have been able to experience a lot more hands-on learning in their science classes and truly love it.
Outside the classroom, there's even more to explore. With an updated track and field, students are playing a number of sports on.
Soccer, basketball, volleyball, and softball.
Hanshaw offers 8 sports teams and an expanding esports program so every student can find their passion.
We have a lot of students who have really taken part in that.
Spirit Days.
I like the Titan Days.
Add fun, friendship, and school pride.
There's a bunch of activities. They open the gym and we could use the field.
Hanshaw students are reaching new milestones and taking pride in what they're capable of.
This past year, we had the most number of students reclassified.
Meaning more English learners are now fluent and no longer needing extra language support.
The key to the improvement that we've seen over the last 8 years is really building those relationships.
This is a place that feels like family and grows with you.
We have worked really hard at this school to make it feel like a community.
A community that's not just preparing students for high school, but launching them toward a future full of possibility. This is Hanshaw Middle School. It's where you belong.